Okay, my beautiful Jamaican people, just a quick update. I don't know what is that. All right, a quick update. Very important for my beautiful people who live overseas, especially if you're a Jamaican and you live overseas. I want to encourage you to do one thing: keep your passport update at all time. Okay. Because all things keep going right now, we don't know what's going on, man. It's like every minute them might change up this, them might put this, them might try to do this, them might try to pressure the people, and you know what I mean? So I just want to quickly give you guys a little bit of tips and ideas. Make sure you update your passport. Okay? That's my only little thing I want to say to you. I know I'm kind of locked back with some videos, but you know what I mean, I'm busy with my job. And you know what I mean, you don't know if I put food on the plate. But I got things coming out, so hopefully we can continue to do a few bits and pieces. But I just want to say, you know what I mean, update you guys that, you know what I mean, please update on your Jamaican passport. You can do it online. You don't have to fly to Jamaica to do your passport. You can do it online. I only hope Jamaican will start do this one, or we can renew your driver's license online. All right? Yeah. But let's see, you know. Let's see if we can so what they have to do, they have to send in the old one, and then we'll check it and to make sure it's okay to renew. Hopefully Jamaican will start do that. All right, my beautiful people, thank you so much, and I keep you guys update on what's going on in Jamaica. Good vibes.